Hello friends, welcome in this video. In this video I will show you that how to see the battery percentage and the charging data of your phone in a Sketchware app. So at first I am setting the app name battery percentage naming. So here is the app. Now I am setting to linear H here and another linear edge. The button must be here. This gravity is center and the button width is match parent. Now set text here, refresh, and the text size must be 20 sp. Okay, now set here text view and this and set here one text view and this must not be here, and the text view, the second text view is here. Okay, now on the first text view I am writing battery percentage, and on the second text view the percentage will be given. Everything is of 20 square points. Now on the event on the on activity create, we have to give to add source directly block. Now I am setting code share. On the first block I am setting some codes from here. Okay, now I am copying this. I am copied this. Now I am pasting this here. Now for the second add source directory block I am setting codes from here. Okay, now I am setting here records. Okay, now I am setting it in a collection naming battery. Now on the button on click we have to set here this collection battery. Okay, now what we have to do is to run the app. Please wait a while for installing the app. I want to say you something that you can get these codes in the video description. Now here you see, here is the 53%, but it is the second text view, but the first text view is of, but the percentage has come in the first text view. This is why, because this is the text view 1, you can see here, and you can see here some codes that text view 1. So if I want to set these codes in the text view 2, I am setting text view 2 for seeing the codes, because this is the text view 2 and we want to see the codes, this is the percentage here. So I am running the app. Please wait. Here you see, here is the percentage of here you see 53%. This is because of the error of my mobile actually. So if you do this in the first, it will be alright, I think so. And if you see problem, you can tell me in the comment box. So thank you for watching this video. Please see our other videos to get knowledge about Sketchware. Thank you.